Paper versus digital organizing. It's myOrganized.life live, November 26, 2018. Ooh.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We had a nice little break.
It was nice.
Yes, and let's see. Thanksgiving, you have the turkey. Then you have the snack later on at night of turkey. And then I woke up in the morning on Friday and my one daughter was eating turkey for breakfast.
Oh, nice.
I go, you gotta be kidding me.
Hey.
Guess what we had for lunch?
Turkey.
And then went up to the cabin, and then we had hamburgers.
Okay.
But in between lunch and dinner, we
turkey.
had turkey snacks.
Oh my gosh.
Finally, and then we took the carcass of this turkey, boiled it up, made this broth, and put the rest of the turkey that we had in there. And on Saturday, we had turkey soup.
Woo!
For 2 meals.
You're getting all of your money out of that turkey.
That turkey. Thanks, Rack Shack, Eagan,
right.
Minnesota.
That's right.
I'm going to do that again.
Was that good?
It was great. Oh my
Nice.
goodness. That thing was smoked for 19 hours. I know I've said that over and over.
Yes, you have.
But it was great not having to take all the time to make, we still made all the other stuff.
Right.
But literally went over there on Thursday morning, picked it up, it was still warm, just put it in the oven to kind of keep it warm for a couple hours. We do a little bit earlier thing, and it was great.
Nice.
Fantastic.
Sounds
and
good.
then we got like 25 meals out of that turkey.
I guess. That's good.
Isn't that pretty good?
That's pretty good.
How about
Pretty
your
good.
escapades? I'm sure the
It was good.
audience wants to know. But before you tell you,
Yes.
we should say who you are, because
Yes.
this is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Mondays after Thanksgiving, give you a recap
of your Thanksgiving.
Because we've been gone for 5 days.
I know. Mine was good. We went to my husband's brother's house.
Yeah.
I didn't have any leftovers. I know. It was just...
Now, when you go to a relative's house, do they kind of like hoard the leftovers, and you can only take
We
back
weren't really
what you
offered
brought?
any, so maybe.
I know.
But yeah, I know.
We had one relative kind of looking to.
Yeah.
And I politely put them away, saying,
Oh gosh.
Hey.
We had turkey and ham, which was nice.
Ooh, nice.
And everything else. But yeah, it was very nice.
Yeah. How was your Thanksgiving? Put in the comments if you want to just say maybe little stories about it.
Yeah. Did you get 25 meals out of your turkey?
Yes. Yeah. How many meals did you get out of your turkey? That is true. It's like good.
Nice.
And when you multiply, if you think about it, we have 6 people mainly in our family, and you have a turkey, and you divide it by I don't know how many meals. That must be.
That's a lot.
I know it's a lot of meals.
That's a lot.
And we made a bunch of extra mashed potatoes. So not only did you have the turkey, you have the extra mashed potatoes and the green bean casserole. Oh, it's all good.
Everything. Nice.
So what does that have to do with paper versus digital organizing?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Correct. That was the correct answer. But we've got to kick off this time between Thanksgiving and Christmas, right? It's going to be a sprint now. Cyber Monday, maybe.
Yes. Are you going to do online shopping today?
I am going to, because I actually did some on Thursday night, but we don't need to let them know about that.
No, we won't.
But yeah, and by the way, myOrganized.life has a Cyber Monday sale going on.
Yes, we do.
30% off.
Woo-hoo.
Now all you have to use is the code RThanks30.
Our or R?
Our. OURTHANKS 30.
Okay, that's on myOrganized.
30% off everything.
Nice.
Not even just like, the one
thing that
slow
no one
selling
wants.
thing that doesn't,
It's everything. Cool.
It's everything. So rush over to myOrganized.life, and that sale actually is not only Cyber Monday, it's going through
tomorrow.
We went through this last week.
I think it's go through tomorrow. Yep.
Tomorrow, yeah. So you get through tomorrow.
And, spend $50 and it's free shipping. So
yeah.
It's easy to do.
It's pretty easy to do, yeah. So anyway, do that. But what does that have to do with paper versus digital organizing?
I don't know.
Nothing.
Other
than myOrganized.life sells paper organizing things.
And digital organizing.
And digital, yeah.
Yes, we do.
So it does have something to do with it.
Yes.
Actually, what we're going to do today is we're going to go back in the archives to podcast number 153.
Yes.
Where we posed this question to
the paper doll
professional organizer Julie Bestry, one of our buds. And we not only took one podcast, we took 2 whole podcasts to go through this.
Paper versus digital. Which is better? Why?
Cons. Right? And it was actually, it's a common question. A lot of people talk about that.
Yep, it is.
So we're going to play a little clip from that right now, and we'll come back in just a moment. Julie, welcome. I mean, you've heard of this debate before, haven't you?
Oh, absolutely. And it's not even just a debate, but it's sort of the wellspring of fear that people have about anxiety, making the wrong choice, or being left behind, the only person still using a paper calendar. And, you wouldn't think it would be such a big deal. And you're right. It is an age-old question if we're talking about the information age.
That's right. Well, we go to trade shows and we make file folders, which are made out of paper, and we still do billions and billions of file folders every year. So there's got to be still a demand for it out there.
Oh, absolutely. Paper isn't going away. In fact, I think probably the only area I see where people aren't still producing a lot of paper is photographs, just because people have their photos on their phone. But in almost every other case, we still see a lot of paper out there in the organizing world.
Okay, well, let's get down to some of the maybe background on this debate, because, sure, you don't use trees and it costs less. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it doesn't cost less. Maybe we'll talk about that today. But why would someone pick one over the other?
Well, that's a great question. We can look at sort of the initial advantages and disadvantages. Heart versus head, okay? Nobody saves a romantic text under their pillow like they save an old love letter. But having all of your documentation for work, you need to have that in a way that it's immediately accessible. So there's heart versus head. There's ease versus learning curve. From kindergarten on up, you know how to grab a pencil in the back of an envelope. I tell people don't grab a back of an envelope, but you know how to do it. It's easy versus digital. It has a learning curve. There's free or almost free plus cost, because, okay, you probably have to pay for paper if you're buying a notebook. I suppose you can, take that little notepad from every conference or hotel room you're in. But then there's the cost. Even with free software and storage, there's always a cost somewhere along the line if you want to upgrade. And there's control versus convenience. A lot of people don't feel like they have control over the environment if they are using digital. They feel control over their paper if they're balancing their checkbook, because yes, I'm not the only person left who still balances a paper checkbook. But convenience is, the internet is everywhere. And so whether your piece of information, whatever it is in your phone or in your computer or in your tablet, there's a convenience to always having it with you wherever you are or whatever device you're in. So you can see these advantages. So,
all right, she gets a lot of pros and cons,
yes,
right?
Yes, she does. Yes, I like the little. You can't save a romantic text under your pillow.
Your pillow, right? Unless your phone is under there.
Yeah.
Although my one daughter, she's got like an iPad and a phone. She got
under her pillow
everywhere.
Oh
like her bed's got like 5 electronic devices. I know, it's probably not good for your health.
Probably not.
But anyway, well, if you want to find that, you can go to sme.com/podcast.
Scroll
down episode 153 and episode 154, which is the second part of it. So you can either watch it.
It's a great episode.
You can listen to it, right? It really is. It was very enlightening. So check that out. And, we're just getting back to speed here, so I'm not even going to ask you about what's going on
No,
Friday.
don't ask, because I don't even know.
Or Thursday.
I don't even know.
But Wednesday.
I barely know what's going on tomorrow.
But we do know what's going on Wednesday.
Yes.
Louise Kurzika.
Yes, that's right.
A brand new podcast episode, because we were going to do it last week, and we had that executive committee meeting, and
we decided to
go dark last Wednesday. So the podcast will be this Wednesday.
And what does she talk about? Do you remember?
Louise Kurzika is talking about. No, I don't.
Okay.
I haven't.
Me neither.
I haven't looked
it's
at it.
It's on the schedule, but the schedule's
we were
not.
off for 5 days.
I know.
Okay, come on. You'll find out. You have to tune in 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific on Wednesday. You'll get it live. Or if you can't make it, then you can get it on YouTube, myOrganized.life, Facebook, everywhere.
Yeah.
Syndicated. Yes.
Across
okay.
all
So
social media.
We're just going to stop at Wednesday. We won't talk about Thursday or Friday yet, because we got to pace ourselves into this week. Right?
Exactly.
Well, good. All right. Well, that's it for today's show. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Again, in the comments, any great Thanksgiving stories or maybe good deals you found.
Ooh,
if you want a good deal, go to myOrganized.life today. Use the Our Thanks 30
promo code,
and you can get 30% off everything.
Nice.
Good deal. All right. And then we'll be back here tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, myOrganized.life live. Stock up on your favorite organizing products now at myOrganized.life.
This is the perfect time of year to equip your office with file folders, expanding files, project organizers, and more. And introducing our new bright white folder line that coordinates with any office decor. It's easy, shop online, and it's delivered right to your office. Stock up now on your favorites with everything you need at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.